Have you ever wondered how a split-second decision can change the course of your life? Slow decision-making is like driving in thick fog. You're forced to go slowly due to limited visibility, making the journey longer and more uncertain than it would be under clear conditions. Decisions that are over-scrutinized or constantly deliberated upon can feel like they're taking an unnecessarily long time to reach fruition. It shows that good and fast decision-making necessitates not only intelligence and energy, which can be metaphorically compared to the driving skills and fuel needed for running a car, but also clarity of vision and visibility of the destination, without which even shorter distances can seem longer as decisions are made with uncertainty and caution. On the other hand, with clear vision and a visible destination, even longer journeys can feel shorter and be completed more swiftly. Welcome to a journey through the mind's hidden pathways, where every choice is a puzzle piece to the grand mosaic of our existence. Let's explore some secrets shared in Daniel Kahneman's groundbreaking book, Thinking Fast and Slow, and discover how to harness the power of decision-making. Imagine a busy city street where quick decisions are constantly made. Amidst this hectic environment, there is a hidden order, like a quiet dialogue between two internal voices guiding our choices. These voices are what Kahneman refers to as System 1 and System 2. System 1 operates like an intuitive conductor, seamlessly guiding our thoughts and reactions. It's the instinct that nudges you to trust a friend, or the quick reaction that causes you to flinch at an unexpected shadow. It's fast, automatic, and is often driven by emotions. Then there's System 2, the analytical thinker, the conscious deliberator of our mind's parliament. It's the voice that commands your attention when you're learning to drive or solving a complex math problem. It's slower, more deliberate, and is often driven by logic. Now, these two systems as masterminds operating in a secret control room, each pulling levers and pressing buttons that navigate us through life's countless choices. But how do they decide who takes the lead? And how can we ensure they perform an award-winning act every time we face a decision? The trick lies in balancing the impulsive with the contemplative, the fast with the slow. It's about knowing when to limit your options to streamline your choices, like a chef expertly choosing ingredients for a signature dish. Let's look at some actionable insights. First, draw a clear line between good and bad choices. This isn't about seeing the world in black and white, but about having a set of personal guidelines, like a compass that always points to your true north. Next, listen to your gut feeling, but don't let it shout over reason. It's the whisper of experience, the nudge of intuition, but it needs the harmony of logic to make music. Remember, time is the currency of life. Think of your time as money. Would you spend it on indecision or invest it in making choices that grow your wealth of experiences? But be careful, indecision is a silent predator. It's the thief that robs us of opportunities and the shadow that darkens our paths of progress. Know that each decision you make strengthens your decisiveness, like a muscle that flexes with use. As we navigate this complex dance of choices, let's pause and reflect. How often do we let System 1 take the driver's seat when System 2 should be in charge? And how can we tune into the right frequency when the signals of decision-making get crossed? Let us understand it with this example. Imagine yourself at a crossroads shrouded in mist, where each path represents a journey into the unknown. How do you choose the route that leads to success and fulfillment? This is where the mastery of decision-making comes into play. Let's consider the concept of satisficing, a term coined by Herbert Simon, a renowned psychologist. It's the idea of aiming for a satisfactory solution rather than an optimal one when we face complex decisions. Why? Because perfection is often the enemy of good. By seeking a solution that is good enough, we save time and reduce the stress associated with the pursuit of the perfect choice. Now, think about a chess grandmaster who, amidst a myriad of possible moves, makes the winning move with confidence and speed. This is the epitome of expert intuition, where skill and experience align to make fast yet accurate decisions. You too can cultivate this intuition by building expertise in areas of your life that matter most, whether it's your profession, your personal relationships, or your hobbies. As we sail the seas of decision-making, it's crucial to set your sails with the winds of your goals. Keep your final destination in sight and let it guide your choices. Whether it's a career aspiration or a personal development goal, your decisions should align with your ultimate objectives. Moreover, we must address the biases and illusions that often mislead us. Kahneman warns us of the confirmation bias, the tendency to search for, interpret, and recall information in a way that confirms our preconceptions. To combat this, challenge your assumptions, seek diverse perspectives, and be open to new information. It's like turning on the headlights during a foggy drive, illuminating the road to clearer choices. Remember the power of framing. Once, there were two patients, John and Alex, both facing the same medical procedure. Their doctor explained the situation to each of them, but in different ways. To John, the doctor said, "This procedure has a 90% success rate." John felt reassured and opted for the procedure without hesitation. However, to Alex, the doctor presented the situation differently, saying, "There's a 10% failure rate for this procedure." Despite the fact that the statistical likelihood of success or failure was the same as John's, Alex perceived the procedure as risky and was hesitant to proceed. This demonstrates how the framing effect can significantly influence our perception and decision-making. The way a problem is presented can drastically alter our perception and subsequent decision. It's not just about what is presented, but how it's presented. Just as a painter frames a masterpiece, frame your decisions in a way that highlights the positives and mitigates the negatives. In this sense, the journey of decision-making is one of self-discovery. Each choice you make is a mirror reflecting your values, your beliefs, and your character. Embrace this journey with courage and clarity, and let each decision be a testament to your growth. As we draw the curtains on our exploration, remember that the essence of swift decision-making doesn't lie in haste, but in the harmony of speed and wisdom. It's about tuning into the right system at the right time, about balancing the quick, intuitive judgments with slow, deliberate reasoning. So the next time you're faced with a choice, big or small, listen to the orchestra of your mind, conduct your thoughts with purpose, and make decisions that resonate with the melody of your life's ambitions. May your decisions be as swift as they are wise, guiding you to the destiny you seek. Go and grab a copy of this book if haven't already. You will get to know deeper insights of the book through interesting stories and examples. You'll find the link in the description. If you think you have learnt something new today, don't forget to show your support for us by subscribing the channel. Thank you for watching.